So uh, uh, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have already seen from the thumbnail that today I am going to do a review of Wow Red Onion Black Seed Hair Conditioner and Shampoo. So before starting the review, let me tell you that I have brought this shampoo and the conditioner 1 month ago and I have been using it twice a week. So after using it for a month, I thought of giving my honest review or opinion, you can say, about the shampoo and conditioner. But before starting the review, let me show you the packaging and the box in which it comes. So this is the box in which it comes and it has costed me approx 600 rupees, but in the box it is written that it is for 998 and I have brought it from Flipkart and I am sure that you can also get it in discount. Now both the bottles come with a pump system which is really impressed me. As you can see, both the bottles comes with the pump system. Really avoids excessive wastage of shampoo. Now coming on the body, it is a basic plastic body that is seen in all other shampoos. As you can see, the key ingredients of the shampoo is onion red oil extract, black seed oil, provitamin B5, and it is also paraben free, sulfate free, silicone free with no artificial color, and it is dermatologically tested with no actives which softens and brings shine to your hair. The quantity of both the shampoo and conditioner is 300 ml and it comes with a shelf life of 2 years, which is very sufficient. So as you can see, it is duty free and 100% vegan and gluten free, and also a QR code is available, you can see, to check the authenticity whether the product is original or duplicate. The method of application is written on the body and other ingredients are also written. Now coming on to the conditioner, it comes with the same kind of packaging and it also contains red onion black seed hair oil and paraben free mineral oil and silicone free, and it is also dermatologically tested. Now coming on to the texture of the shampoo, let me show you. As you can see, it is a totally gel based shampoo. You can see it is going down my fingers. So the shampoo is totally gel based transparent shampoo, and the conditioner is the creamy one. You can see it comes with a white texture. So this is all about the packaging. Now let's get to the review. Now coming on to the review, this shampoo is, trust me, really sulfate free. As the shampoo is sulfate free, so lather formation will be very less, or there you can tell there will be no lather formation. Now let me tell you guys, sulfate is not good for your hair. If you use sulfate shampoo that contains sulfate, your hair will go damage very quickly. And now the question is, whether do you want boldness in the cost of lather, or you want good strong shiny hair without lather formation? Question is up to you. Now choice is yours. Now the shampoo is pretty good and it has really worked for me. I love the fragrance of the shampoo very well, and it has made my hair soft and silky, and it doesn't leave your hair dry and frizzy. Now one more point, I have seen many negative reviews about the shampoo in YouTube, and after doing many research, I have come to a conclusion. If you are having a dry scalp and frizzy hair, then don't go for this red onion black seed oil shampoo. Go for the apple cider vinegar shampoo. That will definitely work for you. Now see, we have different type of scalp, different type of hair. Now if the shampoo doesn't suit you, doesn't mean the shampoo is bad. You have to choose and other ingredients of the shampoo. Now, I don't have a dry scalp or a frizzy hair, so this red onion black seed oil shampoo really worked for me very well. And the most important point why I recommend you using this is my hair fall has reduced a lot after using this shampoo. Previously I was having a lot of hair fall. It was very tensed. I didn't know what to do. But after using this shampoo, I have seen the results in a week. My hair fall has reduced a lot. Now let me tell you that if you see that after doing shampoo, your hair 10 to 11 hair will fall. That is natural. But if you call it a hair fall, then that's not the point. If you are thinking that no hair fall will occur, then it is impossible. 10 to 12 hair will fall while doing shampoo. I love this product a lot. Now I will tell you that you should give it a try at least once. Check whether it works for you or not, and you can write it down in the comment box what was your experience. Now coming on to the conditioner. What is the work of a conditioner? A conditioner's work is to make your hair silky and smooth. And this is the exact thing that this red onion black seed conditioner does to your hair, and I am also satisfied with the work of the conditioner. And I will also recommend you to give it a try. Now let me tell you that don't use the shampoo alone. Use the conditioner along with it, and I am pretty sure that you will get good results after using this. So yeah, this was the review of the Wow Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. And if you like the review, please write it down below on the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with another review of another beauty product. And if you want to get me reviewed of any kind of beauty product, then write it down in the comment box. I will definitely do it. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.